Welcome to how to start an M3 from its cold and dark state. So first thing you want to do is you're going to head into the rear cab as usual through the access hatch door, open it and climb up. Open the cab. Right, we're going to sit down and we're going to activate some basics first. So in the back you're going to activate the battery, you're going to activate the door operations and any other fuse except the signalling systems that needs to be activated. Okay, then we sit down properly, we activate the tail lights and we activate all the secondary fuses located on this panel, so the train lights, the door control and those fuses over there. So that would be this car setup. So we're going to close the door, verify that we've got the required tail lights, which you do, to climb back up and head into the second car, which is still cold and dark. So we're going to have to do exactly the same thing. So first battery, where is it? There you go. Then door operations, and in this case, because we're going to be driving here, we need ATC and signalling systems breakers also activated. Then you're also going to need the light and door control, not the tail lights, and then the headlight fuses. And then we want to, because it's day, when you turn your headlights to dim, see if I can do it from this menu. No, when you activate the headlights on dim, they only activate the bottom lights. When you activate the whole lights on bright, they activate all the lights. There you go. So we're going to leave the lights on dim for now. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to proceed to drive the train as usual. So we want to close the door, we want to open the window, we want to put the master key on, reverse and neutral, brakes into max brake, charge the brakes. Actually keep that open. Then we want to do a brake test, so release the brakes. In forwards. Wait a minute. There you go, release the brakes in forward and put them to max brake and check they're working. Yes, they are. Put that back to neutral. And we're leaving because we need to go here. Here we've got to release the handbrake, so we want to go to, oh wait, let me select it. Oh, there you go, handbrake release. Where did I see it? Handbrake release, there you go. But no, in theory the handbrake is not applied, and it's not applied, and I don't know why it's not letting me do the same on the other side. But it's literally not, because here it's very odd. Wait, no, same door. Oh, this is so annoying. There we go, handbrake release, 100%. So now I'll go to handbrake apply, yes, at 0%. So now the unit is capable of moving. So now we're ready to go. Get in here, forwards, release brakes. And okay, the power is set up in the following way. So you've got coast, you've got step power 1, which would be the same as shunt. Then you've got power 2, which would be series, power 3 parallel, and power 4 weak field. And it accelerates pretty nicely, this unit. And then we go. Then we're going to stop, and I'm going to demonstrate here. So we're going to stop here. How to open the doors. Okay, so if you want to open the doors in this side, the only thing you need to do is put the brakes in max brake, put in the key, put it into doors com, and then unlock rearward doors. And as you can see, the doors have opened. Then oops, you want to, if you want to close the doors, you do the same, but lock rearward doors. And the doors close. Then you can set the brakes to release once they've once they've started closing. Okay, if you needed to close them on the opposite side, set again the power to max brake, reverse to neutral as we do when we get up. Go to the other side and insert the key on this side. Go to doors com, unlock rearward doors. Oops, unlock rearward doors. There we go. And the doors will close. And then when you want to go, just press lock rearward doors. And the doors will close. There you go. And remember always to put the key back to off or the train won't move off. Same as in the M7. So we're going to start off and we're going to go into Atlantic Terminal. There we go. So I'm going to put it into series now. There we go. And we've got 15 miles an hour. So parallel, back to series, back to shunt, and we're done. Coast. Ooh, these points aren't set. Stop, 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 stop. There we go. Do the points before we derail. There we go. And we want to stop at the end of this drill track. Small 2-car unit, you can have up to 10 cars in married 5 pairs of 2. There we go. Min brake. There we go. And stop under this bridge. There we go. Now we put it in reverse. Release the brakes. Check all the points to switch using our interactive menu. Names menu. There we go. Points. Are they now set? Yes, they are. So now we can power 1. Get our head out the window. That's cool. We've got the ammeter. Gonna just go to weak field directly. Give you a nice angle here. There you go. You can see we've got tail lights on at the back. If we were to go through a neutral zone, which we probably will in a minute, like here, you'll see the train lights go out. Let's see if I can achieve it. Yes, no. No. There's a 4-car. Just backing into Atlantic Terminal. As we put our headlights to bright as we enter and close our window. Headlights bright. There we go. There you go, the lights cut out. That was the lights together with the, there you go, and again. See? Got no lights. Oh, yeah, we'll do it again. Okay, now we can accelerate. So weak field. And that's about enough for now. And stop. And we put it to forwards. Release the brakes. And power 1. There we go. We might have to, oops, Still got to reverse. Oh no. We've got to carry on going forwards. So go up to the signal. There's no points to change or anything. Where's the... oh, okay, it's a shunt signal. Okay, so we're going to have to stop before it. There we go. There you go. And we're going to request access to access denied, no route available. Okay, there must be a train waiting to depart or waiting to enter. So guys, this is the pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I've kind of just shown you how to start up an M3 and move it a wee bit, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.